Sharia? Shahmir. Okay. Shahmir, come please. Okay, Shahmir, tell me please. How are you?
We are fine.
We are fine.
We
How
are
are you? I am asking only you.
you
I
fine.
am fine.
I am fine.
When I will ask one person, then you will say, I am fine. If I will ask, how are you? Then you will say, we are fine. Okay? अकेले के लिए मैं की बात आएगी ना, तो जब मैं आएगा तो फिर हम कहेंगे आई एम फाइन. ओके?
Yes,
हाँ? हाउ आर यू?
I am fine.
I am fine. Very good. Okay, tell me please, what is your name?
My name is Mama Shahmir.
Muhammad Shahmir. Mashallah. Very good. Now tell me, what is your father name?
My father's name is
Hmm?
Joy.
Javed. Okay. And what is your mother name?
My mother name is Alila.
Anila. Huh? Anila?
Yes,
Okay. 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 What is your mother?
my mother is housewife.
Housewife. Housewife. Very good. And what is your father?
My father is
Good. Good. Very good. आपके फादर क्या करते हैं? What is your father? क्या?
काम करते हैं
कौन सा काम?
सोनू का
किसका? क्या काम करते हैं? आपको पता नहीं? Okay. Okay, now tell me, what is your religion?
My religion is Islam.
Islam. Very good. Okay. Who is your creator?
My creator is my Allah.
My Allah. Very good. And who is the last prophet?
Last prophet is my
Yes. Who is the last? Ahmad. Who is the last prophet? Very good. Oh, Zabardast Ahmad. Who is the last prophet?
Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam.
Ah, very good.
Prophet.
Who is the last prophet? Okay. Very good, Shamir. Okay, go to your seat, please.